morning, students. Today we are going to study the last lesson of English syllabus of English grammar syllabus. Okay, preposition lesson is going to come for exam, conjunction lesson is going to come for exam, and today we are going to study last lessons according to the syllabus and paper pattern which I have given you on your group. That you have to follow. That many only lessons you have to study. That only lessons you have to study. Okay, which are very much important and which is told by government. Now here it is lesson number 33, the conjunction. Now the word conjunction means what? Yesterday we studied about prepositions. Preposition is also a part of speech, and today we are going to study from noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Preposition, yesterday we studied preposition. Today we are going to study conjunction. Now the word conjunction. Con means what? C-O-N. Con means join. And junction. Junction means together. What is junction means? Together. Join together is called. The words which we join together, or the words which we help to join together, two nouns or two words or two groups of words or two sentences. When we join two words or two groups of words or two sentences, that words are called conjunctions. Now examples are given. You can see and, but and or. Three examples are given in your book. And, but, or. Okay. Which three words are used? Three conjunctions are given: and, but, or. And these words are what? Conjunctions. They are joining two words, they are joining two sentences, they are joining two phrases, they are joining two groups of words. Okay. Now your first one sentence is done for you. You can see here now. I will just read sentences for you. Rohan and Rohini are brother and sister. And. Both places. Two words are joined by and. Here two words are joined by and. Here and joins the words Rohan and Rohini and the words brother and sister. This man is poor but honest. So which second conjunction is used? But honest. But joins the sentence. The man is poor and he is always honest. अर्धा सेंटेन्स आहे आणि एक वर्ड आहे त्याला जॉईन केलेलं आहे एका शब्दाने. तो काय कोणता आहे? बट. नेक्स्ट वन. राहुल गेट्स अप अर्ली बिकॉज ही गोज टू बेड अर्ली. नाउ वर्ड two sentences. Rahul gets up early, he goes to the bed early. Two sentences are joined by one word, and that is which word? Because. Here I would like to eat an apple, one sentence, or an orange. Two groups of words. Okay, two groups of words are joined by and two groups of group of words or two words are joined by and, but, because, or, and these joining words are called conjunctions. What they are called? They are called conjunctions. Now here some examples are there. Join the following sentences. What is told here? Join the following sentences. Now second one sentence, first sentence is already done for us. We are going to do second sentence. You won the prize, full stop. You worked hard. Now because, we have to add here because. Okay. So I will write down that sentence. You won the prize. Answer. You won the prize because you worked hard. Now which word has joined these two sentences? Because. Right? Next one. Third sentence is Sita did not go. What is third sentence? Sita did not go. She was not invited. Now because, we are going to join these two sentences by because. Okay. Sita did not go because Sita did not go because She was not invited. She was not invited. Fourth answer. Daddy may be in the house. Next sentence, Daddy may be in the house. He may be in the garden. Or we have to join these two sentences by which word? By or conjunction. Which conjunction? Or conjunction. So fourth one, Daddy may be in the house, or he may be in the garden. Fifth, the king was rich. He was not happy. We have to join these two words by but, not words, these groups of sentences by but. I will write down here, okay? It is more visible properly here. I will write down fifth sentence here. The king was rich. The king was rich, but he was not happy. But he was not happy. Sixth one, I shall come to school and Reena shall come to school. I shall come to school and Reena shall come to school. Next sentence is, we have to join them by and. I shall come to school and Reena shall come to school. Seventh, you should study or you will fail in the test. Or we are going to join next sentence with what? Or. You should study or you will fail in the test. So, seventh one. You should study or you will fail in the test. And last one, I returned from school and I went to play. Last one, I returned from school and I went to play. And I went to play. In this way, all sentences are joined by some words, but, and, or, and, because, or. These all words are what? These all words are conjunctions. Keep in mind, if any question will come that join the sentences by using conjunction, or join the sentences by using the conjunctions given in the bracket, you have to see proper conjunction and then you have to join two sentences, okay? In this way, we have completed grammar portion also, and English Bal Bharati portion is also over. Yesterday also I told you, don't study Sant Gadge Maharaj lesson 36. You have to study lesson number 34, at the bottom of the ocean. Question answers from that lesson is going to come in exam, not from lesson number 36. Are you getting? Keep in mind that, okay? That is very much important. Otherwise, you will say lesson number 34 was not given in syllabus. I have given on group also that you have to do study of lesson number 34, and in paper pattern and syllabus lesson number 34 is not added, but I am telling you lesson number 34 is there. Okay, you have to study lesson number 34 of English Bal Bharati. Okay, please study hard and try to score nice marks in English. And we have online exam. Okay, so write down test properly in notebook. Don't take help of your parents. Be faithful to yourself. Okay, thank you.